Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to the next module in our quick training videos. In this short video I will showcase how we can use the Esaal Odoo plugin. First, we start by opening the point of sale module and make a new sale instance. We select the items for purchase and then we click on the customers tab. We type in the customer phone number. If it's a new customer, we'll have to press the create button. If it's an existing customer, we can select it from the list. In this case, let's hit the create button. Here we are going to type in the customer's name. We're going to type the customer phone number in the following formats, and we can copy and paste it to other fields if available. Upon checking the information, we can hit the save button. Now we are ready to process the sale. We will press the payment. We're going to select the payment method. In this case, we can have one type of payment, we can have mixed payments, and so on. For example, you can pay like by card and by cash at the same time. And finally, when we set the payment, we hit the validate button. Now the system is going to check if the user exists in Esaal, and if it does, it's going to fetch its data and send the receipt automatically via SMS. It will inform you that the receipt has been sent to an existing customer. We can also press on the print receipt button to print the paper physically via the actual printer. Furthermore, when we are fetching the customer information from Esaal, the data like name, phone, email will be displayed to the user. Lastly, a green check mark on the Esaal logo means that the receipt has been sent. Sometimes the Odoo UI is too large and can interrupt the elements, so we can press Ctrl and the plus or minus symbol to resize the UI so all the information fits. Now moving on to the next scenario, this is a sale with no customer information. So we are going to make an order, however we are not going to select a customer, or we are going to select a customer with missing information. For example, we only have their name or their phone number, and that's it. We don't have both the name and the phone number. So we can proceed with creating the Esaal. Once we hit the validate, the system is going to let us know that some information is missing. So we can manually set this information in the fields. So we're going to set the customer name, the phone number, the email is optional, and most importantly, we need to select the gender, whether it's male or female, because this will be created in the account itself. We can resize the UI to ensure everything is set. We press the Esaal logo, and it's going to process the receipt. Once we get a green check mark, that means the client has been registered and the Esaal has been sent. The last scenario we have is when we have a client with no information at all. So the client did not provide their name, their phone number, and nothing. So in this case, we are actually not going to send the receipt digitally. We are going to send the receipt with the physical API, which means the receipt will be printed as a normal paper, like a physical paper, and the receipt will be sent to the Esaal dashboard under the Esaal physical receipts section. The goal is to track all receipts, digital, physical, etc., and keep track of them in the merchant dashboard. Thus far, this concludes our quick demo for the Esaal Odoo plugin, its various scenarios, and how to make sale order with it, how to add customers, and so on.